Hello and welcome to Biomedical Qingdao, China. Thank you for joining us today. I'm Guangsheng Wang. I oversee the international department at Biomedical. We hope you can benefit from today's webinar from Qingdao and Biomedical to the world.
Hello and welcome to today's Biomedical web channel training webinar. I'm Peter Peterson, Director of International Business Operations and Marketing Departments here at Biomedical. Before we move on, I want to quickly point out the reason for the video you just watched. We are proud of our growth over the last few years, and to be more specific, we are now in more than 160 countries, currently have 500 plus intellectual property patents, 300 plus certified medical devices, and have reached over 1 billion people. Now that's some achievement by the greater team and our global partners. I am also coming to you today from our exhibition hall here in Qingdao, China. If you took a quick walk around the hall, you would have the opportunity to see most of Biomedical's products and solutions. Actually, let's give you a quick look before we move on, and if you are interested in seeing the exhibition hall, then go to our website at www.biomedical.com. Then click on the banner as we are showing you now, or scan the QR code on the screen. Then take a virtual tour from the world's leading manufacturer of IoT biomedical cold chain equipment, and you can see all our solutions, from U-Blood, U-Vaccine, U-Biobank, U-Reagent, and U-Lab, and please find time to take a look and tell us what you think. But of course, we hope in the very near future we can host you here at Biomedical HQ in Qingdao, China. For now, let's head to the team to kickstart the webinar, where we'll cover key points about our products and solutions that help you best position our products, and also take a look at our competitive advantages and some comparisons against our competitors. We'll also touch on how to better understand the needs of your customer. You will see some case studies, and you will learn more about the Hire Group and Biomedical, who we are, and our broader reach right across the world. A very strong base for your customers' trust from a truly global company. If you have any questions, please feel free to add them into the chat below and send us a message. If not, please email us at inquiry@hirebiomedical.com or contact your trusted sales manager here at Biomedical. As we have a lot to get through, I'm now going to hand over to the team to take us through most of today's training. Thank you, and now over to the team.
Hello, and a warm welcome to you all. Thank you for your participation in Biomedical Think Tank Thursday training today. My name is Ludmila, the CIS Regional Manager. I can speak in Russian, English, of course, Chinese.
It is our great pleasure to have a chance to introduce to you the secret of Biomedical's pharmacy refrigerator. Throughout our presentation today, you will have an overview of all our HYC series products, and moreover, you will have a deeper and more practical understanding of key advantages, features of different series of pharmacy refrigerator, as well as some unique selling points. Today, our presentation will be in 5 parts as follows: background, product series, case sharing, FAQs, and coming events. What are key differences between specialized pharmaceutical refrigerators and domestic refrigerators? Pharmaceutical refrigerators cost a lot more than a standard domestic refrigerator. But how different are they, and is the extra money really worth it? The short answer is yes. They are worth the extra cost. as they are very different to what you would be able to purchase from an electrical retailer. First of all, temperature performance is a very important aspect. As we all know, temperature stability, temperature accuracy, and temperature uniformity are crucial for medicine storage, and domestic refrigerators are unmatched in these three aspects. In addition, pharmaceutical refrigerators have the following functions that domestic refrigerators don't have, such as auto defrost, data management, alarm function, and internal temperature uniformity. Higher Biomedical pharmaceutical refrigerators are specially designed and manufactured for medicine storage and pharmaceuticals. In addition, the pharmaceutical refrigerator has the following advantages: extra fans, more sturdy door construction, low noise, alarm, and energy consumption. Product series. Higher pharmacy refrigerator can meet various needs of customers. There are glass doors and foam doors, and they are only for refrigeration, and upper and lower double door for freezing and refrigeration. And there are also blood fluid warming cabinet. The largest volume of the pharmacy refrigerator is 1,378 liters, and the smallest is 68 liters. A variety of options are available for you to choose from. First of all, I would like to introduce HYC68 and HYC68A to you. It is also with the smallest volume in highest pharmaceutical refrigerators. The advantages of this product is that this refrigerator can be placed on the table and under the table. The use position is more free, compact, and convenient. HYC 390 is a very popular refrigerator from Haier and has been sold for many years. Commonly used volume, equipped with the standard configuration of all Haier pharmaceutical refrigerator, and for HYC 390, the glass door design can really see the situation of medicines in the chamber. If you need stronger insulation effect, you can consider HYC 390F with foam door. HYC 639 is an all-new pharmacy refrigerator with a glass door, microprocessor, electronic temperature controller, and LED temperature display. Display precision is 0.1 degrees centigrade. The unit is equipped with a safety lock with 2 keys to prevent unauthorized access to ensure product safety and security, and with a standard USB and optional printer, RS485 interface, etc. When we open the unit and take a look inside, the interior material is a spray steel plate for easy cleaning and supplied as standard with 4 adjustable shelves or optional 6 shelves. And the drawer is also an optional accessory. The unit is designed with fan evaporator and double fan system for forced air cooling to provide a uniform temperature of plus or minus 2 degrees centigrade. The unit also has an access port standard equipped with a porthole convenient for user to test or insert probes for remote monitoring. This pharmaceutical refrigerator can be used in 220 volts 50 Hz and 115 volts 60 Hz. Wide voltage range, 2 different frequencies. A wide range of use can be used in Asia, Europe, Africa, and the United States and Latin America. Energy saving with 70 millimeters a thick foam layer and optimized refrigeration system, which provides superior energy saving, less than 6 kilowatts per day. The environmentally friendly HC refrigerant with a low GWP of just 3. Equipped backup battery, which lasts for 24 hours. Casters and leveling leg design is standard with 4 universal casters and 2 high adjustable feet to ensure case of movement and stability. HYC 940F HYC 940F is a classic model higher biomedical pharmacy refrigerator which has been recognized by the market for many years. This model comes with a foam door, microprocessor electronic temperature controller, and LED temperature display. Display precision is 0.1 degrees centigrade and with a standard USB and optional printer, RS485 interface, etc. When we open the unit and take a look inside, the interior material is a spray steel plate for easy cleaning and is supplied as standard with 12 adjustable shelves. Designed with fan evaporator and double fan system for forced air cooling to provide a uniform temperature of plus and minus 2 degrees centigrade. Like HYC 639, this refrigerator can be used in 220 volts 50 Hz and 115 volts 60 Hz. Wide voltage range to different frequencies. Wide range of use can be used in Asia, Africa, Europe, the United States, and Latin America. Better cabinet temperature uniformity, auto defrost, air cooling. The unit has environmentally friendly HC R290 refrigerant. The shelves are adjustable to any height to fulfill different requirements. 6 alarm functions, high-low temperature, remote alarm, power failure, sensor error, low battery, door ajar. Equipped backup battery which lasts for 24 hours and loud noise. HYC 1378. This is the largest model in higher pharmacy refrigerator. The biggest difference from other models is the volume. In addition, this model is durable and reliable. The design of the glass door, the lighting in the cavity, and the forced air cooling design that maintained good temperature uniformity, and the universal wheels for moving at the bottom make a pharmaceutical refrigerator gain market popularity, widely acclaimed. Okay, next, my colleague Li Yan will introduce RFID refrigerator to you.
Hello everyone, my name is Lian. Today I will introduce your reagent. You can know the details about how does it work and what kind of benefits you can get from here. So let's start. We adopted RFID and other IoT technology, connecting users, refrigerators, simple manufacturers to achieve the whole life cycle management. Here is the circulation. The user's requirements will be forwarded to the manufacturer and his service provider. They will prepare the goods. Also, the supplier can monitor the inventory of users and share the advice to prepare the stocks. And the information will be transferred by the cloud server. This is the complete one. We also have a simplified that can be used inside of a hospital or pharmaceutical company. Here is the products lineup, including 390 liters. In future, we will promote more than 1,000 liters. And now, HYC 509R is the key models to be promoted now. This is the specification and parameters. It shows that this model have good uniformity, plus minus 2 degrees, 10-inch touchscreen, universal caster, and EBM fan. I want to emphasize the accurate temperature control and reliable operations, like precision and design of 6-way sensors and new air duct design. Also, with frequency conversion compressor and EBM high efficiency fan, it can make energy saving. Okay, let's see some demo unit video.
This is our HYC 509R. Let's see the refrigerator. Here, this is touch screen. we can find all the stored items here. And this is alarm for the expiry date, and you can find the inventory and record. Also, this touch screen can monitor all the temperature details and upload the details to our website by this IoT module on the back of this refrigerator. And here is double lock for the safety of regions and the refrigerator. This is USB port. You can download information from here. Okay, now I will introduce the whole process of using these solutions. Before you're using it, our engineer can help you upload all the details of regions and medicine to the software and the website. So you can download and print the RFID label. Like this, you can know the name, serial number, manufacturing date, and expiry date, and pull the board of the case. When you want to store it, you just open the refrigerator and put here. Because there are items on the shelves, so this can collect the RFID information and upload it to the system. So these shelves cannot be adjustable. When we close the door, the system will scan automatically, and you can find the result that we put these items inside the refrigerator. Okay. Same time, if you want to pick up some goods already stored in this refrigerator, just open it and take it. The system will scan automatically also. You can find that I have a ticket. These Eurasian solutions have helped our pharmaceuticals customers to receive the cost, receive time, because in former, our customer just write all the details on the notebook. So when we check the inventory, he need to check one by one. So also it can reduce the human cost. All the information can be uploaded to the website. One monitor, one can monitor different devices refrigerator. This is this refrigerator. So let's hand over to my colleague Ian. Thank you.
Thank you, Lian. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. My name is Ian. I'm sales manager at Biomedical and overseeing English-speaking country in Africa region. It's a great honor today. I'll introduce Biomedical Advanced Pharmacy Refrigerator.
This new generation of pharmacy refrigerator has upgraded many new key features and configurations compared to the classic model. Meanwhile, there are two storage capacity designed for this new series, 1099 liters and 509 liters. However, you may realize there are 8 products with different model numbers. Here's a little tips to understand our naming rules. Letter T represents word touch screen, and letter F represents solid door, and numbers after HYC represents the gross storage capacity. Therefore, HYC 1099T is the pharmacy refrigerator with 1099 liter storage capacity with an glass door and touchscreen control, while HYC 509 TF means pharmacy refrigerator with touchscreen but solid front door. Moreover, this is also the first time that we adopt intelligent and interactive touchscreen control on pharmacy refrigerator. It allows user to view temperature graph, operation status, events log, and alarm records. In addition, a new optional configuration is available which allows NFC authorities system work with magnet lock system to ensure an increased product safety. Thus, data of access to the equipment and stored products is traceable. And meanwhile, fingerprint module is also optional for this new series. The second key feature is data storage. In classic pharmacy refrigerator, USB module is an optional configuration, but for this new series, USB is now a standard configuration for all available models, and it is capable for 10 years temperature storage, data storage, as well as the printer is now an addition available options, optional configurations. So by upgrading electronic control system, refrigeration system, internal sensors, airflow system, and fan motors, meanwhile adopt VFD-driven compressors in this new series pharmacy refrigerator, it can achieve a more precise temperature control and reliable operation, as well as improve the temperature uniformity inside the cabin. The next new model is the what we call combined pharmacy refrigerator and freezer model, HYCD 469 and HYCD 469A. A is with glass storage, with the glass, and these two models both have a gross storage capacity of 469 liters. This product is designed to store frozen plasma, biomaterials, vaccines, electronic devices, and low temperature test of special materials. It can be applied in blood station, hospitals, epidemic prevention stations, universities, scientific research institute, electronic chemical industry, and other enterprise laboratories. This newly launched model adopts dual frequency compressors and high efficiency HC, which is hydrocarbon refrigeration system, and the controllable temperature range for refrigerator compartment is 2 to 8 degree and -10 to -40 degree for freezer compartment. This microprocessor temperature control accuracy remains a very precise level, 0.1 degree for refrigerator compartment and 1 degree for freezer compartment. Also, safety is one of the key parameters for users. So this new HYCD 469 series adopts separate doors for refrigerator and freezers and equipped with independent locks. Meanwhile, multiple alarm functions including high and low temperature, sensor errors, high ambient temperature, power failure, and remote alarm now is a standard configuration to ensure the sample safety. In terms of the refrigeration system, the new model refrigerator and freezer have this independently controlled variable frequency refrigeration system, standalone displays, as well as separate on and off controls. This robust compressor system operating with environmentally friendly hydrocarbon refrigerant and a refrigerator with a high quality and a high efficiency cooling fan will provide better temperature uniformity and stability. In these slides, it could give you a more comprehensive understanding of what the equipment looks like and also the key components, but I will show you each component in our showroom.
Welcome to higher exhibition room. The equipment next to me is the combined pharmacy refrigerator and freezer HYCD 469A. This model is designed for pharmaceutical storage and also other temperature sensitive products. As you can see, there are two compartments for this model. The upper one is the refrigerator with adjustable temperature range from 2 to 8 degree. And the lower compartment is the freezer part with adjustable temperature range from -10 to -40 Celsius. And this is the display and also the control panel. As you can see, there's a switch for internal light of refrigerator and also two individual temperature display for both refrigerator and freezer compartment. And there's 7 buttons which can realize the internal temperature settings, alarm settings, and auto defrost, etc. And this is a USB module which can realize basically the user can download the historical 10 years historical data. And the equipment also adopt 2 individual padlocks for both refrigerator and freezer. And now if we open the refrigerator, there are 2 circulation fans which can highly increase the refrigeration efficiency and also to increase the uniformity of the refrigerator. And the internal materials are made of the stainless steel, and the 3 adjustable shelves are made of deep plastic steel. And if we open the freezer part, there's also 3 adjustable, height adjustable shelves, which are made of the stainless steel, and the internal materials also made of the stainless steel. The reason that we chose these materials is because it is corrosion resistant and also easy to clean. And on the front door, you can also there's also operation procedure and precautions for end users how to properly use this equipment. On the side, there are 2 holes which we call testing holes. You can test the internal temperature for both refrigerator and freezers by your own tools. And that's pretty much what it looks like and how do you operate this model. Now I'll go back to the presentation. Thank you.
And welcome back. In addition to previous introduction, there are some other features for HYCD 469 and HYCD 469A. For example, refrigerator and freezers are equipped with the self-closing doors as well as the padlocks as introduced in the showroom. And there's a design of testing hole for both refrigerator and freezers, which you can see. That allows independent testing of cabinet temperature. For HYCD 469A, there's an electrical heated glasses installed on the door of refrigerator part. And in addition, the glass has also got equipped with overcurrent protection to ensure usage safety. And compared to the products that is currently exist in the market, higher HYCD 469's performance and technical specifications is significantly better than the average level, and it has got some clear advantages such as wider temperature range, lower sound level, more safer alarming system, and also the self-closing door. And now I'll hand over to Benji to discuss the spark-free refrigerator. Thank you.
Thanks, Ian, for his excellent presentation. My name is Ben. I am one of the sales agents for the Middle East region. Today, I will lead us to learn more about our spark-free series and warming cabinet. Now, let us first dive into our spark-free series. This is our spark-free series, both freezer and refrigerator. First, let's look at how we name our product. First, for example, the HLR-310 FL or SF. H stands for higher, L is laboratory, R is refrigerator, and 310 is its capacity. FL means is explosion-proof type with electrostatic protection. SF means is explosion-proof type as well, however, without electrostatic protection. The same thing goes for the freezer, the DW series, the FL and SF. Now, our spark-free refrigerator or freezer are most commonly used among the university, institution, or pharmaceutical company to store some flammable materials or highly volatile chemicals. Of course, to achieve such spark-free environment, those products require some more strict installation environment as well. For example, the ambient temperature and ambient humidity has to maintain between a certain range. Of course, you have to avoid the heavy dust area and keep the machine still and stable. Some user may locate it at higher altitude. This altitude may affect our product's performance. Now, our product, compared to most products in markets right now, hires can cover much more range than those general brand, from hydrogen, water gas, to the whole second area. Now, let's look at our main selling point or the advantages. A higher spark-free refrigerator has anti-static interior, has been certified by the EU ATEX. It is using hydrocarbon refrigerant and with special installation material to achieve more eco-friendly. It also been certified by the Energy Star. Has a wide temperature range. You can adjust it from 3 Celsius degree to 16 Celsius degree. The temperature uniformity is 3 Celsius degree up and down with 0.1 temperature accuracy. It also has the standard high and low temperature alarm, sensor error alarm, or door open alarm. The spark-free freezer are pretty similar. Also has an anti-static interior. Also has been certified by the EU ATEX. It has also been certified by the China National Explosion Proof Standard certification. Now, to know better about this product, the best way is to look at the real product inside.
Now, let's take a look at the real product. This is HLR-310FL, the spark-free refrigerator. The exterior material is made of spray-coated steel sheet. And on the outside, you can see there is a digital display. End user can use this to better monitor the inner temperature. Each model also comes with one standard mechanical lock. You can use it to prevent any unauthorized access to your samples. If you want double safety, you can also add an additional padlock at the padlock hole. Now, let's take a look at the interior. Through this effort-saving handle to make the opening process much easier. As you can see, each model comes with 4 standard glass shelves, and each shelf is adjustable. So you can adjust the height according to your sample size. The interior is made of permanent anti-static sheet, which also has been certified to be explosion-proof. Makes the storing environment much more safer. These units are often used in laboratory or pharmaceutical company to store high volatile chemical or materials. To prevent any damage to the interior lining, the direct contact to the surface is not advised. So we would suggest you to place your sample on the glass shelves. Also, do not exceed the loading line to grant a better performance. Also, here is an inner fan to help the air circulation. Now, let's get back to our PowerPoint.
Welcome back. After the inside inspection, now we will move on to our next speaking point. For the spark-free refrigerator and freezer, they are very energy efficient. They are using hydrocarbon refrigerant and with ultra-thick insulation layer. which makes it requires less energy when refrigerating, and it has better heat preserving performance than any other or most other general brand in the market, which means it can save energy for the end user. Now, besides that, the spark-free refrigerator and freezer are operating at a very low noise level. Here you can see, compared to the other brand, higher products are much lower at the noise level, which can be important for some usage, some situation, if you are using it at the more temperature sensitive laboratory or pharmaceutical companies. Here is a more detailed comparison between Haier and other brand. You can clearly see Haier has lower noise level, like we mentioned, as well as better alarm system. And besides that, Haier product can cover a wider range of materials than the other product, which means it has more usage in different field or different companies or institution. Here is another Haier product, the warming cabinet. This product is most used in hospital or trauma center to heat up large quantity of saline for either the operation or patients to use. As a warming cabinet, its main feature is to heating up materials. For example, it can heat up the saline to body temperature within half an hour, and it can reach maximum 15 Celsius degree with the internal temperature deviation between up and down 2 Celsius degree. It also is stainless steel. The whole machine is stainless steel, equipped with a 7-inch HD touchscreen, which we will show you in an inside inspection.
Now, let's take a closer look at the warming cabinet HYR-111. This is 111. Its exterior material, the whole machine, is totally made of stainless steel, and the flat surface makes it much easier to clean. Through this glass door, you can see the interior has 2 shelves, also stainless steel, and both of them are adjustable as well. You can take it out like this, and adjust this little white hook. Just a little turn and take it out. You can fit it on this whole lot of different position and screw it back and put these shelves back into the machine. So you can adjust your sample size, adjust the shelves according to your sample size. Now, like every other Haier refrigerator, it comes with one standard mechanical lock. The different part is it has 7-inch LCD touchscreen, allow you to better operating the whole machine. Now let's take a more detailed look at the operation system. This is a home screen. As you can see, there are the upper part and the lower part. The upper part, the 4 different sections, has different usage. For example, this setting allows you, oh, wait a second, let me enter my password. Now we logged in. As you can see, before you log in, you can't really do much in that setting screen. Now we press setting. Here are the 6 different sections.
This is temperature setting. In here, you can adjust your setting temperature value. Like right now is 50 Celsius degree. The highest temperature is 55, the lowest is 45. Any temperature beyond this range, this machine will start buzzing and let off the alarm sound, which we can silence through the buzzer button. Once you press it, the buzzing sound will be silenced. But you can still see the yellow flashing, means there are undealt alarm. As you can see, the door open alarm means if you open the door for too long, and the low temperature alarm. Right now, the whole machine is 30 Celsius degree, and we set the setting temperature to 50. So, of course, it will give us a low temperature alarm. And in this setting, you can also select your language. Right now, you can choose the English or Chinese. The date, the time of the day, or use Celsius or Fahrenheit. Remember saving. The operation setting. Here you can adjust the alarm volume or the screen brightness or the alarm delay time. Like the door alarm delay time now is 1 minute. We can test it by opening the door for 1 minute. Now, there are other settings like the light. Those are more minor settings, so you can explore it when you use it. Here is an inquiry. This is another important part. Here you can see all the past event or alarm history. For example, this. You can see the admin door open means the admin, this user, opened the door at this date, this time. Door close, door open, door close, door open, here. You can also check the alarm history. For example, like the door open alarm go off at about 10 minutes ago. Here, low temperature alarm go off about now. Here, it will take us to this door open alarm. If we close it, the buzzing sound will still go on. Now you need to press the buzzer button to silence it. The reason why it still goes on is because there is another alarm triggering, which is low temperature. Besides these two big sections, you can also check the temperature curve throughout the week or the day. And that's about all the basic function of our warming cabinet. It is most used in hospital or trauma center to heating up large quantity settings for patients or operation use. Now for more detailed information, we will back to our PowerPoint.
Okay, welcome back. After our inside inspection, I believe we all have a better understanding about this product. Of course, as a warming cabinet, the most important selling point is its fast heating speed. Higher product using the variable power PTC heating module can heat up large quantity articles within shorter of time. And you can see from these two graphics, higher product compared to other brand can heat up within short period of time and maintain that level. Of course, you want heating up things, but not overheating it. That's why higher product comes with multiple overheating protection. For example, the heater overheating protection switch, which would automatically switch off when the temperature reaches certain threshold. And it also comes with double safety fuses. Here is other main feature for this product. Some of it we have demonstrated in our inside inspection. For example, the touch screen part. It also has ultra low noise. When you operate it, it emits almost not noticeable noise level. I hope you all remember when we're operating inside, besides the alarm noise, there's not really much noise, which makes it perfect for some more environmental sensitive environment. And another part also contributes to this factor, the minimal environmental destruction. This product does not have any external fan, radiator, etc., which means it will not disturb the air circulation or emit any heat. All those factors are important when you are using it in an operation room. Also, because it's made of purely stainless steel and it has flat surface, the clean is super easy. Here is a more detailed comparison between Haier and two other general brands on the market. As you can see, Haier is the only one has a 7-inch HD touchscreen, which will make the operation much easier to manage. It also has more safety alarm to achieve a better safe usage experience for the user. It's also the only one with a traceable temperature data. Now, thank you, and I hope today's lesson can help everyone learn a little bit more about our spark-free series and warming cabinet. Now, let us leave the time for some of our customers' case sharing.
Hi, this is Kessler again from Laboratory Scientific Supplies. To start with success story in UAE market with the Haier biomedical refrigerators, freezers, and other related biomedical equipments. We basically started this project with the Haier in 2017, and by that time Haier was, you can say that, very weak presence was there in UAE market because of some problems which occurred with the service, because there was no one to take care of the service side. We started in 2017, and by now, when I'm talking to you guys, by now Haier, Alhamdulillah, is the #1 brand within UAE, unit-wise as well as value-wise. There is a huge teamwork involved behind this success. No doubt, there was a huge help provided by Haier Biomedical headquarters from China. And locally, we engaged our engineers, we engaged our marketing team, and we tried to reach to each customer and tried to reach there where we couldn't reach. We have tried with our sub-dealers. So this was all because of a strong commitment towards Haier, towards the projects that we have taken, and we expect the same support from Haier Biomedical head office. And inshallah, we will continue with the same energy, with the same enthusiasm to explore the market further and to take Haier to real higher limits. On behalf of Haier Biomedical, I welcome you all to this training session. Starting with introduction, Haier no doubt is the world leading home appliances provider and has a very strong presence in biomedical section also. Starting with the biomedical refrigerators, in Haier we have a complete solution for your biomedical refrigeration requirements. Like our refrigerators, previously we had the normal conventional refrigerators, but now we have introduced RFID, IoT based refrigerators also for the same purpose. If we talk about the range, now the range for higher refrigerator size-wise is from under the counter like 68 liters, that is the smallest one, till the double door 1375 liter capacity. In between, there are so many refrigerators which could be used for different purposes in hospitals, clinics, medical centers, laboratories, and also for industrial storage of the samples or medicine. We will go for these refrigerators one by one, and I'll discuss with you in detail about each and every refrigerator with each and every size, their specifications, their benefits over the competitors, and the service related normal training. Thank you.
All right, now let's extend our thanks to our global partners for their case series. I'm Annie Chen, the sales manager overseeing the Middle East regions. Today, let's go through the frequently asked questions for the pharmacy refrigerators.
Question number 1. What refrigerant does higher pharmacy refrigerators adopt? All pharmacy refrigerators use energy-saving hydrocarbon refrigerants like R600A or R290. Question number 2. Why is the factory preset temperature 5 Celsius degree? Can I set it to another temperature value? The temperature in the medical refrigerator is required to be maintained at 2 to 8 Celsius degree. The temperature uniformity of our medical refrigerator is less than or equal to plus minus 3 Celsius degree. The temperature in the medical refrigerator can be guaranteed at 2 to 8 Celsius degree by setting it at 5 Celsius degree. It is not recommended to adjust the temperature for storing drugs, reagents, and vaccines that need to be stored at a temperature of 2 to 8 Celsius degree. If the temperature of device isn't between 2 to 8 Celsius degree, just contact the service engineer to adjust it. Do not set the temperature below 3 Celsius degree. Otherwise, the temperature in the cabinet may be below 0, and the evaporator may freeze, which may affect the overall performance of the device. Question number 3. The pharmacy refrigerators have the door ajar alarm function. Why did the refrigerator's door open but without alarm? In order to avoid frequent alarms to users, the device is fitted with the door alarm delay function. For instance, in use, if there is no alarm delay when opening the door to access items, the alarm will be triggered as soon as the door is open, which will cause a lot of trouble to the end users. Question number 4. Which models have stainless steel interior? The models like HYC 610, HY6CD 282, 282A, HYCD 469, 469A, etc. come standard with stainless steel interior, while it's optional for the HYC 63 line. Question number 5. Why is the power consumption of our medical cooler a little higher than European competitors? In order to reduce the risk of condensation during use, our medical refrigerators adopt electrically heated glass door except for the model HYC68A, which can ensure that the door body does not appear condensation when the ambient temperature does not exceed 32 Celsius degree, and the humidity does not exceed 85%. The use of electric heating leads to high energy consumption of our devices. We will launch new products one after another in the very near future, using 3-layer glass doors instead of electric heating glass doors. The energy consumption will be greatly reduced. The last question. In case of power failure, how long does the battery in the pharmacy refrigerators could back up for alarms and display, etc.? The backup batteries in the smaller capacity models like HYC 68, 68A, HYC 118, HYC 118A, etc., will last for 8 hours, while for larger models, for instance HYC 390, HYC 610, HYC 940, and HYC 1378, etc., the backup battery could last for 48 hours. Thank you. Now back to Peter.
Thank you to the Hire Biomedical team and to our trusted partners for your support today. Again, any questions from today's webinar, please email to inquiry@hirebiomedical.com or visit our website at www.hiremedical.com, or of course contact your Hire Biomedical sales manager directly. I want to now give you a brief overview of the Hire Group, as it is important to give you some background about the group, Hire Biomedical, and the greater Hire family. Hire Biomedical is part of the greater Hire Group. The Hire Group is the global #1 manufacturer of household appliances as per the Euromonitor for the past 13 consecutive years. The Household Appliance Division produces and sells around 20 million refrigerators and freezer units per annum. Globally, we are #1 in this sector. Our strength definitely is in a refrigeration history. Hire, through its globalization efforts, now has a coverage on each continent. With GE Appliances from America, Acra from Asia, Hoover Candy from the EU, and Fisher & Paykel for Oceania, as well as major expansions at home here in China with Leader and Kasati. With this expansion, the group's turnover is in excess of 40 billion USD, with 10 plus and open R&D centers, 28 industrial parks, 122 manufacturing centers, and 108 marketing centers, and a global sales network across more than 160 countries and regions. Okay, who's Hire Biomedical, and what's our competitive advantage? Global top 3 medical cold storage solution provider. We supply the full temperature coverage and full portfolio coverage from conventional refrigerator and freezer, ice line and STD vaccine refrigerator, walk-in cold room and automated storage systems, to name a few, that have UL, CE, Energy Star, PQS and NSF Global certifications. As the industry leader and IoT pioneer in our industry sector, Hire Biomedical provides solutions for biological sample, medicine, blood, and vaccination management, including U-Biobank, U-Reagent, U-Blood, U-Vaccination, and U-Lab. However, our key component to our success is that we are an environmentally friendly advocator. We take our corporate social responsibility seriously when it comes to being a truly green organisation. With our strong corporate social responsibility roots, we introduced the HC refrigerant ULT freezer in early 2014, the first company to offer a full range of energy-saving ULT freezers in the industry with Energy Star certification. And most recently, the development and manufacturing of our Stirling Ultra Cold new generation of energy-saving, environmentally friendly, ultra-low temperature freezers, which operate over a range of -86 to -20. In early 2020, Hire Biomedical opened our new IoT manufacturing plant in Qingdao's high-tech zone. 50,000 square meters over 2 floors on our 75,000 square meter facility, with a capacity in excess of 200,000 units a year. Exciting news is that in mid-2021, we commenced our expansion and construction of our new manufacturing facility just next door, adding another 95,000 square meters to our current 75,000 square meters. A total manufacturing site at 170,000 square meters. We will bring you more about our expansion in the coming months. And finally, we have 1,900 plus employees with a growing workforce globally as part of our globalization through localization. And to date, you can find us in over 160 plus countries. We have 500 plus intellectual property patents, 300 plus certified medical devices, reaching over 1 billion end users, as I mentioned earlier. Now that is a very quick snapshot of the size and reach of the greater Hire Group and Hire Biomedical. And to find out more, please ensure you follow us on social media platforms such as LinkedIn and Facebook. We have many updates weekly about the latest and the world's leading IoT solutions. Or of course visit www.hiremedical.com and see all our products, team member contacts, and even do a virtual tour of our exhibition centre here in Qingdao as we showed you earlier. In wrapping up, a big thank you again to the entire Hire Biomedical team, our partners overseas, the marketing department, and of course to you all. A big thank you for spending your precious time with us and taking time out of your day to hear from our team. We appreciate this very much. Our thank you and appreciation is not just for today, but for your ongoing commitment to working with Hire Biomedical across many markets around the world. To find out more, please contact us through, as I mentioned earlier, social media, email, or through today's link. It is also important to remind us that Hire Biomedical's goal is to deliver what the market needs through innovation and technology, to support users' needs and demands with our zero-defect quality assurance manufacturing system and after-sales quality service. And during these indifferent times, we have been in cooperation with United Nations organisations, built a global vaccine ecosystem to support healthcare networks with complete cold chain processes, from production, transportations, customs clearance, distribution, installation, and maintenance to inoculation, to ensure the safety, security, and reliability of the vaccine to the last mile. And finally, from the entire team, we look forward to working together with you and your teams to continue together to solve the needs of all through effective, innovative, and technologically advanced biomedical solutions to ensure healthcare equality for all. Again, if you have any questions, please email us at inquiry@hirebiomedical.com or visit our website for more information about Hire Biomedical's products and solutions. That's it from us, and we wish you a good morning, afternoon, or evening. Thank you and stay safe. Goodbye for now.